In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full page in Google Docs. Imagine you're working on a document, and you want to make sure it appears in a traditional page format rather than Google's pageless feature. Whether you're formatting a report, a resume, or even an essay, switching to a full page layout will give you the structure you need. Let's go step by step through the process together. First, let's start by opening your Google Doc. If you haven't done this already, log into your Google account and navigate to your Google Drive. Here you'll find your documents. Simply click on the document you wish to edit, and it will open in a new tab. If you're creating a new document, just click on the New button and select Google Docs to start fresh. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here you'll find various options for editing and customizing your document. To adjust the page settings, you'll want to locate and click on the File menu. This option is usually found at the far left end of the menu bar and offers a variety of options for managing your document, from downloading and printing to configuring settings. After clicking on File, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select Page Setup. This option allows you to control the overall layout and appearance of your document. It's crucial for getting your document into that classic page format. In the Page Setup dialog, you'll see various options for page orientation, paper size, margins, and the key feature that we're focusing on today, the format type. You'll notice two layout options here, Pages and Pageless. To switch to the traditional page format, select the Pages option. Choosing Pages tells Google Docs that you want to view and edit your document with clear page breaks, similar to what you'd see in a printed version. Once you've selected Pages, there are a couple of additional settings you might want to consider adjusting. While you're here, feel free to customize your margins or change the page orientation according to what best suits your needs. These settings can help your document better fit the purpose you have in mind. After you've made your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Your document will now switch to full page mode. You'll notice that your text is now segmented into discrete pages, complete with headers and footers if you choose to add them. This page view allows you to better visualize how your document will appear when printed or shared as a traditional file. And there you have it, a simple yet crucial way to format your Google Docs using the full page setup. This can greatly help in maintaining a professional look, especially for anyone aiming to print or distribute their document in a standard format. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your document creation.